How to change to digital creator on Facebook profile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply click on your name, which will open your profile. After you're in your profile, click on the three dots beside Edit Profile. After you click on the three dots, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, simply click on Turn on Professional Mode. Then, click on Turn on at the bottom. After you turn this on, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you can press on Next. Press on Next again. Choose your default audience, make sure it's public, and press on Next. After you've done that, you can also start earning if you are eligible for this program. And after that, you're good to go. You can add your profile picture as you want. And this is how to change to digital creator on Facebook profile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.